There's room for all things in a healthy eating pattern, and that can include alcohol in moderation. But sometimes moderation can be easier said than done when it comes to drinking. Or you might feel significant adverse effects from any amount of alcohol, like headaches and mental fog. And there might be reasons for this. Here, I'll explain why you might want to quit drinking and what happens to your body if you do. Why should I quit drinking? So alcohol is a depressant, which means it slows down our brain function. Over time, heavy drinking can lead to an array of negative health effects. This can include memory loss, heart disease, liver disease, increased inflammation, weight gain, and more. Whether you need a temporary break or want to give up alcohol altogether, here are 5 things that happen to your body when you quit drinking. 1, you may lose weight. There are many ways to measure your health aside from weight loss, and not all weight loss is automatically healthy, but cutting back on alcohol could lead to some weight loss. Alcohol has 7 calories per gram, and higher ABV drinks, especially those with sugar-sweetened mixers, can add up quickly, and they don't fill us up in the same way that food does. Alcohol has also been shown to amplify our appetite, affect sleep, and reduce motivation to stay active, all things that can contribute to weight gain. 2, you may sleep better. One study found that excessive alcohol consumption reduced sleep quality and even shortened duration of sleep. This could be because alcohol can reduce melatonin secretion, a hormone that's crucial for maintaining our body's sleep and wake cycles. Alcohol can also affect neurotransmitters in our brain like GABA and dopamine that are important for relaxation and sleep. 3, you may better support your immune system. Reducing your alcohol consumption might help you be better hydrated and improve your gut health, both of which can support healthier immune function. 4, you may stay better hydrated. Even in the short term, alcohol can have a diuretic effect by reducing hormones that help keep our hydration in check, specifically ADH, the anti-diuretic hormone. Long-term dehydration can lead to everything from mental fog and fatigue to increased risk of stroke and skin damage. The good news is when you stop drinking alcohol, hormones like ADH return to their natural states and allow your kidneys to expel an appropriate amount of water, leaving you more hydrated. 5, you may have reduced cancer risk. So there are several factors that influence our risk of cancer, including a lot of things that are out of our control, like our genetics or our family history. But diet and lifestyle are known factors that impact our risk, and alcohol falls within that. Researchers found that higher alcohol consumption correlated with a higher risk of throat, liver, colon, esophageal, and rectal cancers. Keeping your intake in check can not only lower your risk, but improve your overall health. So, should you quit drinking? The answer to this question is totally individual. Alcohol can definitely be part of a healthy eating pattern in moderation, but if you're curious about stepping away, either temporarily or long-term, there's nothing wrong with taking a break. Even just reducing your alcohol intake by cutting back or swapping in a few non-alcoholic options can lead to some impressive health benefits. The Dietary Guidelines for Americans recommends 1 to 2 drinks max per day, so that's a good goal to shoot for if you do drink. And serving size is important for different types of drinks. So like a 12-ounce beer is a serving size, 5 ounces of wine is a serving size, and 1.5 ounces of liquor is a serving size. Just mind the sweetened mixers. Alcohol is popular in cultures all over the world, and it can hold social significance beyond how it affects our health. That said, it's important to keep your intake in check, and there's nothing wrong with stepping away, either temporarily or permanently. I hope this video helped, and thanks for watching.